After spending the day in Newport, Rhode Island, we decided to head to Providence that evening and attend an event called WaterFire. As we were making our way there, the skies opened up and there was a really bad thunderstorm, so I didn't know if the event was going to go on, but the storm stopped and the event was still held. WaterFire is a really cool thing that I've never seen anywhere else. Basically what happens is there's cauldrons located in the Providence River, and boats go by and light these cauldrons on fire, and it's super cool and really pretty. Downtown Providence is really a cool area to explore, and there's walkways on both sides of the river and lots of bridges that cross, so you're able to get around pretty much anywhere you want to go. Parking was a bit of a challenge, but we did find a place that was $20 for the night. We've been here before, and the last time we came, I don't think we paid to park, but we could have gotten here early before they started charging. This is a very busy time for the restaurants. They're super busy. There's a huge mall. Lots of people stay overnight in the hotels. And if you're looking for some fun, you can take a longboat ride where I don't know what you call him, a driver will push you along the river with this huge stick. If that's not your thing, they also have motorboats that will take you up and down the river, though I think the other one seems more fun. The fires are lit shortly after sunset, and people line up really early and get a prime spot. Technically, the event is held on the Woonasquatucket River, which is a branch of the Providence River, but no one really says that, they just say it's on the Providence River. The main events happen in an area that I'm calling the Basin. There's a stage where bands and musicians play, artists perform, and it's kind of the central area where everything happens. As the sun sets and it starts to get dark, the area kind of takes on an eerie feel. It's really kind of cool. As night falls, the real fun begins. People walk down the steps carrying torches, almost like druids, and then boats come into the basin and take the torch from the druids, who then go around and light the fires in the cauldrons. Some of the boats have artists who perform all these tricks with their torches, and they're really fun to watch. The fires take a little while to get going, but once they do, they burst to life like a flower in the spring. As the fires grow, they create this really warm ambiance that just lights up the whole area. After spending some time at the fires, we decided to head across the street and go shopping in the Providence Mall. This mall is huge. It has 6 floors. After grabbing some dinner in the mall and walking around for a while, we headed back out to the fires and made our way around the other side of the basin. There were still a lot of people there, and the entertainers were still doing their flaming torches, and it just was a really fun evening. It was getting really late, and we had a long drive ahead of us to get home, so we made our way along the river, looked at some of the restaurants, and enjoyed watching people in the boats. It was one of those summer evenings that you just don't want to end. But then we made our way back to the car and headed home. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave a message in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer as best I can.